Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Melody. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today we're going to cook spinach another different way. If you eat it this way, you will love spinach so much that you will eat spinach daily. So what I have done, I have about 1 teaspoon of olive oil, about 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon, whatever you like. And then I have a little bit of cumin seed and a saporia, and I put 2 cloves of garlic. So we're going to roast this one a little bit, just until everything gives a nice aroma and roasted. A big pan. So what you're going to do is first to put your vegetables and your spices and let it cook 15-20 minutes until they are really cooked. But do not add any water, because regular spinach, frozen spinach, they all let go water. Vegetables are actually full of water, 60-70% water. So we're going to just cover it and slow cook it for 15-20 minutes with our spices, and then when all the water is absorbed and gone, then we're going to make in another pan, roast some peanuts and add to it, because we're going to add the roasted peanut at the end so the peanut stays crunchy, not soft. And this kind of spinach really tastes so tasty. You can eat it just by itself or with bread or with rice. So let me go ahead and put some spices and cover it for 15-20 minutes. So I have added all my spices, salt, turmeric, garam masala and a vegetable masala, and I'm going to cover the lid on top of it and then let it cook for 15-20 minutes until everything is pretty much dried up. And then I'm going to saute my peanuts on a separate pan and then just add to it at the end, and then just saute it together for about a minute. So here are my peanuts. I'm roasting some peanuts to add it to the spinach. Just brown it in 1 teaspoon olive oil, and then I'll add it. As you see, the spinach is ready and the water's all gone. So I added my peanuts and I'm going to saute it for 1 more minute or so, and then it'll be all ready and I'll give you. So here's the spinach with peanuts, and once you make spinach like this, you would love spinach so much that you will eat spinach daily. And this is so tasty, your little children will eat it too. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you with many more creations. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.